Dziś zaprezentujemy Państwu show składający się z akrobacji i powietrznych manewrów. Zabraknie Wam tchów w pierwszego Up in the Sky! Dziękuję. Teraz zdjęcia! Don't miss, that's the first cross of all the team all together. They are just in front of you. For aircraft section, that's the leader of the second section. It is on your left-hand side, rolling in the sky, performing a half Cuban 8. So don't miss them now on top of your head, just rolling with the wings parallel to the ground. They will reach the main formation on your right-hand side.
Nie będziemy tego tłumaczyć, ponieważ Andrea doskonale mówi po polsku.
Chcecie zobaczyć samolot w Trecce TriColori z bliska? Spójrzcie w lewo, solista nadlatuje i pokaże Wam maszynę z każdej strony. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is counting in Italy, and he lifts and hear the voice of the leader. They roll and give orders. The maneuver, 750 meters, maximum speed is 480 kilometers. They still fly in the sky, rolling left of the main field of Radom. Radom, spust się w prawa, solista. Take your camera, ready for the photo, now! And again, roll! And at the end of the show, pull up with the soul. Raz są razem, lecą z lewej, to jest ich głos. And that's the voice of the leader. Lider Jan Zlangen! Dziękuję, Radom! They are still on the ground and they go up in the sky with the second section that is higher than the leader section. Spójrzcie w lewa, solista! This is a 5 roll, one after the other. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Il cuore! Spójrzcie w prawa, solista! Photo in the center, zdjęcia! Tight turn all over the field of Radom. Accelerating at 600 kilometers per hour. He is now at 7.5 Gs. All the maneuver is inside the field and it's not ready for the back flight and pull up. Ciao solista. So he leaves the field on the right and we have the Medioni and Gaetano Farina. With the white smoke, they will change the shape of all the formation of the Trecce TriColori. We start rolling in the sky now. Now they fly back of the second section and all the Trecce TriColori goes up in the sky. With this maneuver, we want to show you the possibility to change the shape of the formation and design two things. The first one was a diamond formation. Now on top of the solista, look at him now with the white helmet on the cockpit of the MB339. Commands on the plane, and he gives order to the pilots about height and altitude. Now look at your 11 o'clock in front of you, a bit on the left. The solista is coming. Dami panowa. Teraz zdjęcia!
Ale super jest
And now,
komentator.
maneuver that I
naprawdę.
prefer in the flight of the Trecce TriColori, just calm down and relax. Look at the main team in front of you. Look at the colors of this day. To jest ich głos. That's the voice of the leader. Spójrzcie na środek kłębu dymu. Solista pędzi do góry. W tym manewrze chcemy podziękować Wam za zaproszenie i Waszą gościnność. W tym momencie piloci widzą Was. Jeśli chcecie, pomachajcie im. Głównie Radom! O, solista, spójrzcie prosto! He goes up in the sky, rolling, slowing the speed, very slow on top of the maneuver. Be prepared to fall down with the number 10 of the Trecce TriColori. Ready, go! Tail slide! Oh my God! Panie i panowie, Trecce TriColori solista Fabio Capodanno! Yepa! Now we fly with the main formation. They are on your left hand side. 4 aircraft rolling up in the sky for a giant loop. And if you see on the left, you can see the main formation hitting the loop, hitting the target with their arrow formation exactly in the center. And there is an eagle. Spójrzcie, zaczyna kręcić się wokół własnej osi. Teraz zachowajcie się.
Dobry.
Silence.
Niesamowite.
Solista Trecce TriColori Fabio Capodanno! Yepa!
To najbardziej lubię. O, Włosi rządzą.
I nie ma do przegrywania.
And roll again. Ready? Now. Nie przegapcie samolotów, które przyspieszają, żebyśmy informacje na piramidy. W tym momencie nie wiecie, gdzie patrzeć. Solista na drugiej z prawej. Spójrzcie w górę, nad sobą widzicie 9 samolotów. Bądźcie gotowi na La Bomba! Yet. Look at what's going on in the sky now. So on your left hand side, you have the second leader section that is preparing to roll in the sky. While on the right hand side, the 5 aircraft formation still has to rejoin all together. Follow. I solista, spójrzcie w prawa. And the solista is coming from the right hand side, but be prepared to take the picture. Don't do that now. Wait a minute. Just need to take a good picture also of the landing configuration of the Air Macchi MB339. The solista is flying the 2 basic aerobatic maneuver. He just performed a roll, and then he is going up in the sky for a loop. With this maneuver, we want to show you how maneuverability is how